welcome back to my channel. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification. At least 2 weeks, it is important to clean your car because regular dirt such as road salt and bug guts require immediate attention to prevent paint or metal damage. We're here in Petrol Canada to do the car wash. My dad will go to the cashier to use his petrol points. These petrol points can be used to car wash. The basic principle in the automatic car washing is the same as in the hand washing. You first soap up the surface, scrub, rinse, and then dry out the water from the car's body. You see that blue machine, guys? That's where we will put the receiver and put the barcode on it to do our car wash. Then follow the machine's instruction. Put car in neutral. Wait until the conveyor pushes the car into the wash area. The cover will open, then we can go in. You see those blue brushes, guys? That's the one that will clean the car. Make sure, guys, your windows are closed to avoid water coming in. And also, guys, make sure your side mirrors are folded. Let's go cleaning! Okay, guys, now the soap is going to be applied. Then the water will rinse off the soap. At the end of the car wash, there will be a giant blower to dry the car. Wait the signal until it's green. Then you're ready to go. Voila! Here's our car. It's very fresh and clean. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.